Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Billy.
And I'm Cynthia, and this is Braylon. So we've been kind of cooped up in the house for a couple days now, so we thought we'd do a fun little video and do a taste test.
So Cynthia bought the food and Braylon and I are going to be doing the tasting. I'm going to be blindfolded and I'm pretty good with food, so I'm not too worried, but I'm pretty sure she brought something drastic. But
I did.
Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm ready. So a bucket, or can I get a chaser or some good?
No. I have lemonade. You want lemonade?
Yeah, lemonade.
Okay.
Go get lemonade. I assume that. Hey, you ready? Come on. Say hi to the camera.
You want a bag just in case?
Yeah, give me a bag just in case. Do you need a bag, Braylon? Huh? Oh, chill, man.
All right. Okay. I got a bag just in case, and some lemonade from Walmart.
Okay. Oh man, I'm scared. I'm getting nervous.
Okay. So I think I have.
Now, are you gonna go in any order?
Ow! What the hell?
Come on, really? Are you gonna go in any order?
Yeah.
Like
You
it's
don't know
not
what it
from
is.
it's not from best to worst, or
No.
like it's just gonna be.
Braylon, that's not nice. Okay, so this is going to be our first item. Let me zoom in. Okay. So who wants first? Braylon or you?
Braylon.
Okay. Braylon?
Can I smell it?
No.
No.
Open.
I felt him flinch.
Is that yummy?
Why did he jump like that? Is it good, man?
Okay, Dada's turn.
Ooh. Mm.
Okay.
Okay, you want to get down?
No, you're
No,
fine.
he's good.
Ready? Say open.
Ah. Oh, wait, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Okay, now you gotta take it.
Ah.
Put your hand down. Ready? Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
That's yogurt,
Yes.
right?
Well, what kind? What flavor?
Is that like vanilla?
No.
It's like caramel?
No.
I don't know what that is.
Horchata.
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 Yeah, I didn't even know they made horchata. Even.
Okay, so this is going to be our second one. I'm not going to give this to Braylon, but
That means it's bad.
I'm gonna give it to Billy. Well, depending how Billy takes it. But this is the second one. Let's see. Let's see if it'll focus.
Is Shy over there?
Ah! Okay. Let's open this up.
Can I smell this one?
No, because then you'll know what it is.
Ooh. Ah, this is. I don't like this.
All right.
I do not like this.
All right.
Ready? Ah.
All right. Are you ready?
Where's the bag at?
Okay. No,
Where's
no,
the
no.
bag at?
Okay,
Where's
no.
the bag
It's
at?
right here. I'll give it to you if you need it.
What? I need it like already.
Okay. You
Let
want
me
to hold it?
Yeah. Is it?
Okay.
Alright, for sure.
But you have to at least put it in your mouth. You know?
Yeah. I would.
Okay. All right. Ready? I'm gonna do it real quick because you can't smell it.
Okay.
Okay. Ready? One.
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay. No,
Don't count.
you
Don't
can't
count.
do that. Okay. Close your mouth when it gets in your mouth. Okay. 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 Eat it.
What the fuck is this?
You like it?
What is it?
You like it? Do you need lemonade?
There's some ginger in there. No, that's not that bad.
It's not bad?
That's not bad. What
Can
is it?
Braylon have it?
Yeah, he got it. He got it.
Okay.
That's ginger?
Yeah.
That's minced ginger?
Yes. Just a little bit.
For sure, I got that.
It did a baby taste. Oh, you can open your eyes. Oh, you liked it?
That's not bad, huh?
Okay.
Throw that on some like sesame chicken or something.
Shia wanted to say hi. Say hi, Shia. Okay. All right. Next up, we have this.
He needs some milk.
Just a little taste. Just a little taste. Okay. Open.
Can Braylon have this one?
Yeah, it's fine. Open.
Oh! Oh! What is it?
You need the bag? You need lemonade? Yeah. What do you need?
Okay, give me a drink. Is this tartar sauce?
Yes. It was not that bad.
But it's so different not knowing what's about to be put in your mouth.
Oh, messed up my makeup.
And I caught a whiff of it.
Oh.
Like right when you put it in, it was like, oh.
Okay, you can open your eyes now. Alright, Braylon.
Oh, don't get him that. Okay.
It's not bad.
Tartar sauce?
Yeah. Here, open.
Can he have tartar sauce?
Why not?
He wants some of this. What's that?
Lemonade. I should have.
Focus.
Here, move it so I can. Okay. Lemonade. Open. No, he wants some.
He wants some of
Give
this.
him some. Just a little, just a little, just a little. Mmm, yummy. Here, baby, look, look, look. Braylon. Look, look, look. No.
Alright, well, I'm gonna put him down. Okay, we got Braylon some lemonade, so he's okay now.
Did you see?
I didn't see anything.
Okay, close your eyes. Because I gotta prepare this one a little bit. So our next one is going to be
Your favorite?
oh,
Your
yeah.
favorite?
Yeah, my favorite.
Slow down a little, man.
Okay. Okay, Braylon's gonna have some first. Okay, Braylon, look. Okay, no more lemonade. Okay, ready? Look.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's so wet. Hey. Oh!
I didn't see.
Mmm. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Okay. Let me give him some more. Hold on.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Braylon. Braylon. Papa. Ready, ready, ready? You need some lemonade with that? You need is it good? Yeah, you can have some lemonade. Okay, Dada's turn. Dada gets a big piece. You ready?
Alright, it's good though. If you
Open.
like it.
Come on, eat it.
Oh yeah, that's good. I like
What
that.
is it?
That's avocado.
Yeah. Okay. This one I will not give to Braylon. So. Babe.
Do not.
No, God! No, God,
Is it?
please, no! No!
This one's no! Give Braylon. Those torches. Okay, so you can't smell this one. Okay, relax, relax. It's lemonade, dude. All done? Oh, all done. Okay, so you have to plug your nose for this one. I'm just gonna give you a little bit.
Is it?
Okay. You have to take it like, you have to take it fast.
Alright.
Okay.
Is it lemonade nearby?
Yes, it is. Okay, ready?
Alright.
Open. Come on. Okay.
Oh! You lemonade. You lemonade. Ah!
Oh my gosh, I almost peed myself.
I knew you would do that.
I almost peed. Oh my gosh.
Ah.
That was funny.
I knew that was coming.
You did, you called it.
I knew that was coming. But I didn't know because I couldn't smell it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
as soon as I let go of my nose, I was like, oh, oof.
Okay, so this is going to be our last one. It is this. Braylon's gonna go first. Okay. Too much. Or do you want to go first, babe?
I want to go first.
Okay.
It's the dream.
Okay, so Billy's gonna go first. Okay, open. Open. What is it?
That's lime juice.
Yes, it is. Good job. Okay, Braylon's turn. You can open your eyes now. Okay,
I still
Braylon.
smell that apple butter. Really.
Braylon, look. Open.
Hey, Braylon. Go ah. Go ah.
Good job. Is it good? Oh, I'm sorry, Bebe. Oh, I'm sorry, Bebe. That wasn't good.
Cynthia's gonna taste something that hopefully she doesn't like.
Oh my goodness.
Let me see.
Oh. Hi, baby.
Eyes closed.
Okay, my eyes are closed. You wanna come up here, baby? No? Okay.
All right, babe. Here we go. Ready? Close your nose.
Close my nose.
Yeah, close your nose.
Oh, I can't breathe anyways. Okay, I'll close it. Ready? Okay, wait. It better not be hot sauce.
It's not hot sauce.
Okay. There we go. Oh, what is that?
Chew it.
No!
Chew it.
It's oyster. It's oyster. That's disgusting. That's what it is. That's disgusting. Ew. Give me that. Give me the lemonade. Ew. Oh. Oh, it's so nasty. Ew. Nasty.
Well,
Ew.
all right, guys. That's the end of the video. Come here, Braylon. Scoot over there. Come here.
You want more?
You want more? You want more? Braylon wants more lemonade.
Mom will give you more.
Alright guys, that is the end of our video for this week. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and be ready for more videos. We want some input from you guys, so you know, DM us.
Yeah, let us know in the comments, or you can DM us on our Instagram.
And yeah, and we'll be back with more videos. See you guys.
Bye.